In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert Figma design to Shopify theme. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is go to figma.com and open your design or project. So here I have a blank design. So this is just a basic design I created just for this video. So to add or change it to a Shopify theme, what you want to do is from here, click here on this icon, which says components. Now just simply click on plugins. Now search for Shopify, and you should see a Shopify image importer right here. So just simply click on that plugin, and you will see this menu. So now you can select the import type. So you can either import from product URLs or from collection URLs. Now you want to add your URL right here. Also, you can add how many products you want to import and product images from each product. Now simply click on import and you're all set. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.